Long endurance, high performance, multi-purpose. This is the new generation of AGR B100 Pro dual electric drone. The powerful power gives more redundancy to the load. The fuselage adopts a split frame structure, combined with the lower folding arm design. Adaptive adjustment to avoid arm shaking. Ensure flight stability, equipped with high-performance AG6 flight control. Module IP67 protection, no fear of wind and rain. It can also be equipped with dual light infrared cameras, high-definition cameras, and so on, compatible with various cameras. Large mounting space can be equipped with different loads. Can be used to prevent fire, material drop, aerial cleaning, cargo lifting and carrying, etc. It can also carry strike equipment. 9-way throwing enables efficient hitting. Infrared tracking and automatic targeting make it impossible for the enemy to escape. Achieve multi-purpose. The B100 Pro offers a flexible choice of single-dual batteries. Double the range, double the efficiency. Equipped with the conventional intelligent batteries, it can fly for 14 minutes with a load of 50 kilograms. Payload 5 kilograms, flight for 30 minutes. Equipped with two high-energy density batteries, it can fly for 18 minutes with a load of 50 kilograms. 48 minutes flight with a load of 5 kilograms. Various remote controls are available. B100 Multifunctional Ground Station, communication distance up to 20 km. B100 Pro Multifunctional Ground Station, communication distance up to 10 kilometers. This is the AGR B100 Pro Multifunction Industry Drone, a tool made for the industry.